The digital age has brought convenience, connectivity, and innovation, but it has also opened the door to unprecedented cybersecurity threats. From data breaches to ransomware attacks, the need to protect your data has never been more critical. Stay with us because in the middle of this guide, we'll unveil a surprising new tool that's revolutionizing digital security in 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay informed on essential tips for staying safe in the online world. 1. Understand the threat landscape. The first step in cybersecurity is knowing what you're up against. Cyber threats come in many forms. Phishing scams, malware, ransomware, and identity theft are just the tip of the iceberg. In 2024, cybercriminals are more sophisticated than ever, using AI to craft convincing scams and automate attacks. Understanding these threats helps you prepare and respond effectively. For instance, phishing emails often mimic legitimate organizations, urging you to click on malicious links. Knowing the warning signs, such as poor grammar, mismatched URLs, or unsolicited requests for personal information, can prevent a breach. Awareness is your first line of defense in protecting your data and privacy. Cyber threats continue to evolve, making it essential to stay informed about the latest attack vectors and how to counter them. 2. Strengthen your passwords. Passwords remain a primary defense against unauthorized access. However, weak or reused passwords are a hacker's dream. Use complex passwords that include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information, such as your name or birth date. In 2024, password managers like LastPass and 1Password are essential tools. These platforms generate and store strong passwords, ensuring you never have to remember dozens of unique credentials. Additionally, enable multi-factor authentication, MFA, wherever possible. MFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a fingerprint or a one-time code sent to your phone. 3. Secure your devices. Your devices are gateways to your personal and professional data. Start by keeping your operating systems and software up to date. Cybercriminals exploit vulnerabilities in outdated software, so enable automatic updates to stay protected. Install reputable antivirus software to detect and block malware. Be cautious when downloading apps or files, and only use trusted sources. In 2024, many devices come with built-in security features, such as encrypted storage and biometric authentication. Take advantage of these features to enhance your device's security. Additionally, regularly review app permissions and remove those that are unnecessary or invasive. A secure device is the foundation of a secure digital life, ensuring your sensitive data remains private. 4. Protect your Wi-Fi network. Your home Wi-Fi network can be a weak link in your cybersecurity. Ensure your router's firmware is updated and change the default login credentials. Use a strong, unique password for your Wi-Fi network and enable WPA3 encryption for maximum security. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities, such as online banking or accessing work documents. If you must use public Wi-Fi, connect through a virtual private network, VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making it difficult for hackers to intercept your data. Additionally, consider using a guest network for visitors to prevent unauthorized access to your main network. 5. Back up your data regularly. Data loss can occur due to hardware failures, accidental deletions, or cyber attacks. Regular backups ensure you can recover your information if disaster strikes. Use a combination of cloud-based and offline storage solutions for maximum reliability. In 2024, automated backup services like Backblaze and Google Drive make it easy to protect your data. Schedule backups to run daily or weekly, depending on your needs. Keep offline backups, such as external hard drives, in a secure location. Additionally, test your backups periodically to ensure they are complete and functional. Regular backups are your safety net, ensuring your data is never truly lost and can be quickly restored in case of emergencies. 6. Be vigilant against phishing scams. Phishing attacks remain one of the most common methods cybercriminals use to steal information. These scams often come in the form of emails, text messages, or phone calls that appear to be from trusted sources. In 2024, phishing attacks have become more sophisticated, using personalized information to appear legitimate. Always verify the sender's identity before clicking on links or sharing personal information. Look for red flags such as urgent language, unexpected attachments, or requests for sensitive data. Use browser extensions that detect and block phishing sites. 7. Secure your online accounts. Online accounts are treasure troves of personal information. Use unique passwords for each account and enable multi-factor authentication wherever possible. Review your account settings and adjust privacy controls to limit the amount of information you share publicly. In 2024, account recovery processes have improved, but they're not foolproof. Keep your recovery options up to date, such as your phone number or secondary email address. Regularly monitor your accounts for suspicious activity and report unauthorized access immediately. Be mindful of the apps and services you link to your accounts, as they can introduce vulnerabilities. Taking proactive steps secures your online presence and minimizes your risk, ensuring your digital identity remains intact. 8. Educate yourself and others. Cybersecurity is a shared responsibility. Educate yourself on the latest threats and best practices to stay ahead of cybercriminals. Share your knowledge with friends, family, and colleagues to create a safer digital community. In 2024, many organizations offer free or affordable cybersecurity training, such as Google's cybersecurity certification or courses on platforms like Coursera. Stay informed by following cybersecurity blogs, subscribing to newsletters, and participating in online forums. Host workshops or discussions to raise awareness within your community. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better equipped you are to protect your data and help others do the same. 9. Leverage emerging technologies. Emerging technologies are revolutionizing cybersecurity. In 2024, AI-driven tools can detect and respond to threats faster than ever before. Invest in security solutions that incorporate AI, such as endpoint detection and response (EDR) systems. Blockchain technology is also gaining traction in securing digital identities and transactions. Explore tools and platforms that leverage blockchain for added security. Additionally, quantum computing is on the horizon, promising both challenges and opportunities in cybersecurity. 10. Develop a cybersecurity mindset. Ultimately, cybersecurity is about adopting a mindset of vigilance and caution. Be mindful of the information you share online and the platforms you use. Regularly review your digital footprint and remove unnecessary accounts or data. Create a personal cybersecurity plan that outlines your strategies for staying secure. This could include setting reminders to update passwords, scheduling regular backups, and reviewing your privacy settings. Encourage a culture of security within your family or organization by discussing potential risks and best practices. A proactive approach to cybersecurity ensures you're prepared for any potential threats and helps you stay one step ahead of cybercriminals. Cybersecurity is more important than ever in our increasingly digital world. By implementing these strategies, you can protect your data and enjoy peace of mind online. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips on staying safe in the digital age.